Hi guys, Sheena here from Atlas Agency Launch Lab and Atlas Online Solutions. Tonight I promised you an expose on hacking Facebook. I also told you that we will be discussing our Black Friday deals here at Atlas Agency Launch Lab. So I'm going to give people a few minutes to log in and then we're going to get into it. So how's your weekend been? How are your holiday plans coming along? Got anything exciting to share with us? I haven't spoken to you guys in a hot minute, that's for sure. It's been a little while. So I want to know everything about what's going on, your triumphs, your lows, your questions, all of the things that I can do to help you with. I would love to be able to address them today. And while we're here, let's talk about how I hacked Facebook. All right, hacking Facebook is it sounds weird when you say it like that. No, I did not go in and hack Facebook and change the algorithm, but I did hack Facebook. All right, so last week I came live and I spoke to you about step-by-step, this is how to prospect. All right, this is exactly what to say when you're cold DMing people. Now I'm going to tell you how to find an endless amount of hot targeted leads for your business for free. Audience hacking. You hack Facebook so Facebook prospects for you, okay? The goal is to 1, identify hot leads on Facebook. 2, add them to your friends list. Don't just DM them, add them to your friends list. Send them to your inbox and automate the process. Who has time to sit there for hours and hours on end sending cold DMs and prospecting on Facebook? I know I don't, and I'm pretty sure that none of you guys do either. So I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it so that Facebook does it for you. Okay, so where do you find these hot targeted leads for free? When I say hot targeted leads, I mean leads that are ready to buy right now, leads that respect your point of view, know that who you are as the expert, and they just want to buy from you. Okay, you can start applying every single strategy that I talk about tonight for free. It's not going to cost you a dime. Okay, you'll also be able to automate it if you want to free up your time. So stay with me. Talk to me, let me know you're here, and let's do it. So strategy number 1, okay? People that serve the same audience as you. In this strategy, we are looking for other people who are in the same niche as you and are targeting similar clients. This can be from your existing friends list or people that you identify as meeting this criteria that you've found in Facebook groups. We then proceed to audience hack them, which involves reaching out to everybody that they're currently targeting on Facebook. So think about it, okay? Who would be targeting your ideal audience? Yeah, if you're going after chiropractors, then think about the software that they're using. If you're going after massage therapists, then look for people who are selling massage equipment, all right? Find people that use the same audience as you and hack them. This means you can leverage their audience by going after everyone who comments and reacts to every single one of their Facebook posts, is because it's now your audience, okay? In addition, we can also audience hack all the people that they surround them with, okay? To-do list. Find 5 people from your friends list or Facebook groups that serve the same audience as you. Follow them, like their post, click on their links, and engage with them. When you've done those 5 things, all right, you're going to start seeing all of their posts and all of the ads popping up on your feed. Now you can audience hack their posts, their comments, and their likes. Now, if you're still sitting there feeling a little lost, wait a second, let me show you. Look at this, okay? This is a person who serves the same audience as me. Look at all the comments and the likes and everything that they already have going on in there. I can take that and turn that into mine. Okay, so I can filter through each person who's engaged and commented that matches my audience criteria, like an owner, a CEO, director, a coach, a broker. I can then go ahead and I can add them to my network. That means sending them a friend request. Okay, look at all these people. Then I'm going to send them a DM. So I'm not just going to DM them, I'm going to send them a friend request. And I'm going to do that 30 to 50 times a day. And I'm going to break it up into 2 different sessions. And I'm going to keep track of leads and sheets and follow up 2 to 3 times. Alternatively, you can automate this entire process. Okay. Client prospector. If you click on those 3 dots there at the top, client prospector will pop up. You press run. You just press a button and it does all of it for you. Okay. You can choose reactions. You can choose comments. You can choose both. You can set a time, like a message delay, 9 minutes apart, and then decide on people that you want to target. So the CEO, the owner, the director, the broker, the realtor, and then people that you want to avoid. Admin, moderator, manager, things like that. And then set up a DM message sequence. All right. You can set 9, 10 different fragments and the software will like pick little bits of it and send it to them. And then you just run 2 sessions, right? 15 in each, 30 in each, whatever you choose to do. And then you can use client CRM. So this is the prospecting one I spoke about with all the different messages. This is client CRM. This is what's going to keep track of your conversations and stages. It's going to automate follow-up, so running bulk broadcasting messages, and it's API compatible, so you can stick it into Go High Level or whatever CRM you're currently using. And then you can audience hack all of their friends. Okay? Like all of their friends can now become our audience. So we're going to go through their friend list. It's either only under followers or friends. We're going to filter through each person in the friends list that match our audience criteria. Owner, CEO, director, coach, broker, and then we're going to add them to our network, which is a friend request, send them a DM, and do that 30 to 50 times a day. Break it up into 2 sessions, keep track of the leads and sheets. Alternatively, we can automate it all using Client Prospector and just press 1 button. Okay? We can keep track of all of that in our CRM, once again. All right, strategy number 2. So that's strategy number 1. If you're still with me. Strategy number 1 was find people targeting our audience, friend request them, friend request their friends, friend request their friends, okay? In this strategy, we're looking for a business that's running Facebook ads to the same niche as us, okay? This could be your competition, this could be suppliers, partners, any business that's running paid ads to attract similar clients to you. We're then going to audience hack them, which involves reaching out to everybody that they are currently targeting on Facebook. So they have spent tens of thousands, potentially up to $1 million on ads, okay? Instead of you running paid ads, you just piggyback off of theirs. Okay? Does that make sense now? Look at this one. 2,000 likes, 87 comments, 36 shares, all right? Think of how much they have spent to get this. So how do we do this? Find 5 businesses, follow them, follow their page, okay? Click on all of the links, every single link that they have inside of their page, their website, their landing page, their social media, click on every single link, and then you're going to start getting retargeted. So you're going to start seeing all of their paid ads show up on your feed. Then you can audience hack their ads, their comments, their likes. And yes, you can do it manually. You can go in, you can find your ideal audience, you can add them as a friend, then you can send them a message, or you can download Client Prospector. All right. You can click 1 button, turn around, walk away, and let the software do the prospecting for you. Then you can download the CRM and do exactly the same thing. Starting to see a pattern here? All right. So that is number 1. And that is number 2. Find your competitors, find your competitors' ads. Okay. Number 3, this is businesses that serve the same audience as you. Okay. So instead of just people, we're looking for businesses. Think about your competition, your suppliers, your partners, any business that's marketing on Facebook to attract similar clients as you, and then we're going to audience hack them. This involves reaching out to everybody that they're currently targeting on Facebook on their business page and in their groups. Okay, so not on the ads, not on their friends list, their business page and their groups. This is leveraging their audience by going after everybody who's commented and reacted to each of their business or group posts, and they are now also our audience. All right, to do this, Find 5 businesses, follow them, like their post, click on all of their links, engage with them, love, like, comment. And now you should start seeing their business posts popping up on your feed. Audience hack their business posts. Is it starting to make sense? All right, let's see. Can you see what I just shared? So this one here is a business post. It's not an ad, it's not a person, it's a post. All right. They have 15 interactions, 3 comments, 2 shares. These are people who are actively interested in ClickFunnels. You want to go and sell them Go High Level? Do you have a white labeled version? You're a SaaS operator? This is something you filter through each person who engages and comments that matches your audience. Owner, CEO, director, coach, broker, realtor, whatever you set. Then you're going to send them a friend request. You're going to send them a message. Then you're going to keep track of them on a list. Or you're going to do what I do. Download that Chrome extension, press run, let it do it all for you, and then add them to your CRM. Okay? That's 3. The 4th audience hack is not the person. It's not the ads. It's not the group. It's not their business page. It's a Facebook group. What's a Facebook group that's serving the same niche as you and targeting similar clients? Okay, if you're going after massage therapists, look up massage equipment buy and sell. Okay, this is a group that's serving the same audience as you. It doesn't have to be a competition. It doesn't have to be a supplier or a partner, any of those people. It's just a group that has your ideal avatar in it. And then we're going to audience hack the entire group. Okay. Let me share my screen. Give me a second. It's going to take a minute. All right. Can you see my Facebook page? Let me know if you guys can see it, if it's gone, anything like that. All right. You can see my Facebook page. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to click people, right? You guys already know who I am, so I'm not actually going to do this too much. I'm going to click on my Chrome extension. Just had a thought. Give me a second. I'm going to do something else. Now, stick around though. I still have to share with you all of special deals that are running right now. Just give me a second. But I got to remember that I have to share my entire screen for this to work. Okay. Okay. So I'm inside your group. I've opened it up to members. I click on my prospecting Chrome extension. I press run. It's now going to go through this entire group. And it's going to send them messages. This one here doesn't like me. Yeah, I thought it was being so clever. 1 second. All right, I'm still looking inside these comments, guys. I would love to see how your day's been, what you've been up to, things like that. Okay? Please, please, please say hi to me. Love to talk to you. And what are you doing for Thanksgiving? You guys celebrating Thanksgiving? You got big things planned? All right, see how it's going to go through? It's sending a friend request to these people. It's sending them a message on Messenger. And then, again, I have a CRM that's going to collect all these messages and automate bulk messages. And this is how I can attract 30 to 50 hot leads and sales into my business every single week. Okay. And I stopped doing this now because now I'm messaging all you guys. If you would like to do the same, if you want to be getting this many clients and this many leads into your business every single week, check out the link that I posted below for you guys, because I have a special deal running right now for only for you guys. Okay. This is going to turn 30 to 50 qualified leads daily into paying clients using our Facebook prospecting and automation system. All right. It's trusted by over 700 users worldwide for leads daily. And check out that landing page. There are testimonials galore. Everybody is super, super, super excited about the software. There are 4 steps to skyrocket sale conversions using our system. 1 is targeting, 2 is nurturing, 3 is follow-up, and 4 is refining. This is exactly how you do it, okay? If you're ready to get leads on demand, you'll get a client prospector, you'll get our client CRM, you'll get our client remover, you'll get Atlas Agency Launch Lab bonus modules on client acquisition, onboarding, and more, and you'll get our audit training. This is a $782 a month deal that I'm giving to all of you for over 90% off right now, today. All right, so click on that link if you guys are interested. I'll drop it in the chat for you. And you guys can take advantage of this deal today between now and Saturday only. Okay, and then the price is going back to its regular price. You're just enjoying the cooler weather finally. Oh, isn't it glorious? I'm a little nervous though, because I don't like super, super cold weather. I like weather that is like in the middle. I like to be able to wear a t-shirt, still not have to wear long sleeves. So I'm nervous that this cooler weather is going to turn like, I'm in upstate New York, so it's going to turn like viciously cold very, very soon. And I'm a little nervous about it. But I'm excited. All right. So I hope that's helped. If you guys didn't see last week, I dropped another video showing you guys step by step exactly what script to write when you're prospecting. So you can use that script inside of the software and it's going to automate your prospecting. You're going to get so many leads. It's going to be amazing. I cannot wait. All right. And then the other part of Atlas Agency Launch Lab has a Black Friday deal going on. And this is not the only deal that we have going on. So if you guys are interested in joining Atlas Agency Launch Lab, where we help you launch, grow, and scale your agency in less than 90 days, then right now we are taking 10% off our price. Don't forget, we have a pay-as-you-profit system. Pay-as-you-profit is still going on, and you get 10% off. So if you're interested in that, send me a private message. I'll reach out to you, and we'll get you set up. Okay, guys? This is all from me today. I look forward to speaking to you guys again soon. Comment on this post, ask me your questions, and I'll do a live Q&A for you guys next week. All right, bye.